Hi, welcome to part 2 of the unboxing video. I have installed Call of the Wild. I figured that would be not, well, I guess the game code would already be used, so it wouldn't work. But anyway, I thought it would be better not to show that. So next we have the controller pad. I'm not sure what it's called, but allows you to slide the controllers into it and hold it a little bit more comfortably. Let's demonstrate that. So according to the lady at GameStop, the only way to charge these controllers is with the dock or on the switch itself. You can't like plug them in with USB or anything. They have to either be on the switch while it's charging, or you have to get a special switch controller dock. So just again, you're just pressing that button to release. You have a controller. Additionally, I got the Pro controller, which not cheap, but I figure while I'm at home I might as well use a controller that's a little bit closer to something that I'm familiar with, which is the Xbox remote. So let's unbox that too. Same charging cable. Feels pretty good quality wise, and it's a nice finish. Has the screenshot button as well. Don't know if it's charged at all. Let's see. I'm not getting any lights or anything. Does it like have batteries in it? It feels really light, but I think it would be weird if they didn't put in batteries. Oh, I guess this comes with the switch to allow you to cover up. Oh, this is probably, yeah, okay, this is for the controllers. If you're going to use them by themselves, that makes sense. Nope. Almost. Maybe? Well, that's great. Now it's stuck. Okay, don't do what I did. Don't over pull that. Oh, this is the -1. Well, maybe that's why you're on here, looking for what not to do. Okay. Oh. Again, you have your arrows showing this is supposed to slide into this. There. Nope. I got the new one and then put it on. Wrong. Minus, maybe, plus. Plus. There. Okay. Feels a little bit rough. Slide this there. Then you have that lights up, and you have your little controller thingy. Don't know if you're supposed to be able to use these like nunchucks or not. Maybe. I have a charger in my car if you need it. Last step is the charging dock. And the switch fits into the dock. It's plugged in, probably in the back. No, yeah, okay. So you have your USB, HDMI, and AC adapter. Oh, there we have it. The Nintendo Switch. Have a nice day.